Do you know that you can make over 3,000 US dollars or 4 million naira every single month without owning a farm, without raising any livestock, or even without planting any single crop? I know it sounds crazy, but here is the truth. Some of the smartest people in agriculture today are not farmers, and in this video I'm going to show you what they do and exactly how they do it step by step. First of all, welcome to Agribusiness Digest, where we share agribusiness tips and opportunities, and also show you how to turn agriculture into a serious income business. My name is John Paul Manefu. I help entrepreneurs to set up and grow their business, especially in the agricultural sector. So if you want to make money in agriculture, this video might just change your life. Most people believe that agriculture is all about farming, but that is the biggest mistake. Now let me break it down for you. Agriculture is a value chain, and farming is just one small part of it. And there's also real money in the other areas of the value chain. This is where some people are quietly making thousands of dollars every single month. I know of someone that have never planted a seed in his life, but every Tuesday and Thursday he supplied tons of tomatoes from northern Nigeria to eastern Nigeria, making consistent profits every single week. No farm, no stress, just smart positioning. That is part of what I want to show you in this video. Number one is becoming a farm aggregator. An aggregator is someone who collects agricultural produce from multiple farmers and supply it in bulk to buyers. In simple terms, you are the bridge between farmers and market. For example, you can go to states like Benue State, which is known for yam production, and source yam in bulk from local farmers. Most rural farmers have farm produce but struggle to sell at a good price, so you can step in and connect both farmers and market, thereby making good profits. Now imagine buying 3,000 pieces of yam at 1,500 naira each from Benue State, then supply this yam in eastern market in Nigeria for 3,000 naira each. If you calculate it, you'll be making over 3 million naira or 2,000 US dollars just in a single week. This is deep. Number two is become an agribusiness broker. An agribusiness broker is someone who connects buyers and sellers of agricultural products and earn a commission for making the deal happen. I know a broker who connects a farm in Nigeria that is interested in Pankane oil production line with a reputable agricultural machine manufacturer in Malaysia. The entire machine costs 120 US dollars, and he was being paid a commission of 5% of the money, which is 6,000 US dollars just for a single deal. Imagine making 5 of these deals in a year. That is, you'll be making over 30,000 US dollars in a year, which is equivalent to 42 million naira pure profits. I think I will consider being a broker. Number three is exportation of agricultural produce. Agricultural exportation simply means selling local agricultural products to international buyers. In simple terms, it simply means you source products from Nigeria or any country you base, sell to buyers abroad, and get paid in US dollars, euros, or in pounds. There are products that are already on high demand globally. Products like sesame seeds, cocoa, ginger, turmeric, garlic, and many more. A friend of mine once told me that the profit made in exporting cocoa from Nigeria is more exciting than Yahoo. It's funny, but a lot of people are seriously making money in exportation. Although to export these products from Nigeria, you need export license, product certification, quality control assurance, proper packaging, and quality standard compliance. But if you don't have these requirements, you can still start as an aggregator, source these products from local farmers, and link up and supply to exporters of those products in your community. In that way, you can also make good amount of profits. Number 4 is offering agro-processing service. One of the biggest problems most farmers face is post-harvest loss, and you can solve that problem by offering agro-processing service. For example, you can set up a cassava processing mill in a community well known for cassava production. The farmers come with their harvested cassava to your mill and you process it for them as garri or flour and charge them for a fee. This business is very lucrative because you are making money every single day with less risks. There are so many agro-processing services you can start. Example are rice processing mill, palm oil processing mill, palm kernel cracking mill, cassava processing mill, and many more. Number 5 is food supply business. Every single day, restaurants are cooking and food vendors are buying ingredients. Now, here is the question: who supply all that food? That is where you come in. What is a food supply business? A food supply business is when you source food items from the farm or from the market and supply it consistently to businesses, making profit on every delivery. You are not farming, you are not producing, you are just controlling the movement of food. Let's be honest, people can stop buying clothes, people can delay buying phones, but people must eat every day. That means there is daily demand for food, and in this business you can make recurring income on weekly and monthly supply contracts. All you have to do is to find buyers, understand what they need, source for these food items, and supply it to them consistently. Then you make profit on every delivery. At the end of the day, the simple truth is this: agriculture is no longer about farming, it's about opportunity, positioning, and smart thinking. You can start as an aggregator, owning a processing mill, a food supply, or an exporter, and build your way step by step. If you learned something from this video, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment so that more people can see this video. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.